Good day, sir. I am Mike B. Ponsalan from B-Screen 1C. This is my video presentation about due process of law, warrantless arrest, and human rights protection. Human rights. Human rights are the rights we have just because we are human beings. They aren't something that any government or state gives us. These rights apply to everyone, regardless kung ano yung nationality, gender, race, religion, or language mo. Some example of basic human rights include the right to life, food, education, work, health, and freedom. Basically, these are the things that make life dignified and worth living. For everyone, walang pinipili. Sources of human rights. Number 1, 1987 Philippine Constitution. Ito yung pinaka main law ng bansa natin. Meron itong iba't ibang section na nagdi-discuss ng human rights. Bill of Rights, Article 3. Dito naka-outline yung mga civil political rights tulad ng freedom of speech, right to fair trial, at iba pa. Article 7 to Article 15. Didi-discuss nito na naka-outline yung didi-discuss nito ang economic rights, halimbawa, pagmamay-ari ng resources, social justice, karapatan sa trabaho, lupa, housing, pati na rin yung education, family at health. Ang internal treaties. Ito yung mga agreements between different countries at maraming pinirmahan ng Pilipinas na para protektahan ang human rights. Covenants or civil, political, economic, and social rights. Ito yung mga international agreements na nagpro-protect sa karapatan mo ng makilahok sa gobyerno tulad ng pagboto o pagsali sa public service. Kasama rin dito yung karapatan na makapagtrabaho, kumita at mag-provide ng mga basic needs mo like food, shelter, at health services. Convention Against Discrimination. May mga kasunduan din na pumipigil sa diskriminasyon base sa race or gender. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka pwedeng maliitin o pagkaitan ng rights dahil sa lahi o kasarayan mo. Pinaprotektahan din ng mga ito ang bata, person with disabilities, at migrant worker, para siguradong pantay-pantay ang trato sa kanila regardless of their situation. Rights of accused in Philippines. If you are accused of a crime in the Philippines, you have the specific rights under the law. Due process, Section 1. You cannot be punished or lose your property or freedom unless you go through the proper legal process. Legal assistance, Section 11. If you're poor, you should still have free access to the court and lawyer. Rights to number 3. Rights to silence and a lawyer, Section 12. If you're being questioned for a crime, you have the rights to stay silent and get a lawyer. The police must tell you this. Number 4. No torture, Section 12. Walang sino man ang pwedeng gumamit ng pwersa, torture o banta para mapilit kang umamin. Kung ginawa man nila yon, hindi pwedeng gamitin ng confession mo laban sa court. Number 5. Presumption of innocence, Section 14. It means na inosente ka. Hanggat hindi pa napapatunayan na guilty ka sa korte, may karapatan ka din na mabilis at patas na trial, para hindi ka naman maghintay ng sobrang tagal bago malaman ang resulta ng kaso mo. Due process. Due process means you get a fair chance to defend yourself. Kailangan mong ma-inform kung may kaso laban sa'yo. Tapos, dapat bigyan ka ng pagkakataon na ipaliwanag ang side mo sa harap ng korte o tribunal. Dapat may patas at legal na desisyon na ibibigay base sa hearing. For example, kung may tao na nagsasabi na nagnakaw ka, dapat ma-inform ka tungkol sa kaso. After that, bibigyan ka ng chance na ipaliwanag ang side mo. Gagawa siya ng desisyon kung guilty ka ba o hindi. Importante na hindi ka napabayaan at mabibigyan ka ng patas ng trato sa proseso. Next is the warrantless arrest. Normal police need a warrant from a judge to arrest you, but there are exceptions when they can arrest you without a warrant. If an arrest happens without a warrant, if you must follow specific rules, the person making the arrest must explain the reason for it. Unless you're caught in the act or it, but arrest and danger. Number 1. Caught in act and flagrante delicto. Kung nahuli ka na ginagawa mo mismo yung krimen, pwede ka nilang arestuhin agad o on the spot. Halimbawa, kung nagnakaw ka at nahuli ka ng pulis habang ginagawa mo ito, okay lang na arestuhin ka. Number 2, hot pursuit. Kung may crime na nakagagawa lang at may mga evidence o personal na kaalaman ang pulis na ikaw ay gumawa, pwede ka rin nilang hulihin. Halimbawa, kung may taong nag-report na may pagnanakaw sa kanila at nakita ng pulis na tumakbo ka mula sa crime scene, pwede ka nilang hulihin agad. Number 3, escape prisoner. Kung nakatakas ka mula sa kulungan o habang inilipat ka, pwede ka nilang arestuhin at walang warrant. Ibig sabihin, kahit walang legal na dokumento, may karapatan pa rin ang mga pulis na hulihin ka kung nahuli ka nilang tumakas. Rights of a person who had just been arrested. Once you're arrested, you have the right to talk to a lawyer and anytime in jail. Your relatives can also visit you as long as it follows reasonable jail rules. So, in example terms, your rights are there to protect you, and the law makes sure arrests and trials are fair. If these processes are not followed, arrest or tutorial might be considered invalid.